Welcome to the Grand Canyon Painting Workshop. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to simplify a scene by breaking it down into light and shadow families. Then I'll show you how to make a two-value statement, and after that I'll take you through a full color study. By the end of this lesson you'll know how to simplify your subjects to make bolder, stronger paintings. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work, and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.